Welcome back to 123 Money. In today's video, we're diving into something that has the power to transform your daily routine and take your efficiency to the next level. 10 productivity hacks that will change your life. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by your to-do list, struggled to stay focused, or wished you could get more done in less time, then this video is for you. These aren't just random tips. They're proven strategies used by some of the most successful people in the world. So, grab a notebook and let's get started. Hack 1. Master your morning routine. Let's begin with hack number 1, mastering your morning routine. How you start your day sets the tone for everything that follows. A solid morning routine can be a game changer for your productivity. It's about more than just waking up early. It's about creating a ritual that energizes you, keeps you focused, and prepares you for the challenges ahead. Start with something simple, like drinking a glass of water as soon as you wake up, followed by a quick workout or some stretching to get your blood flowing. Spend a few minutes journaling or meditating to clear your mind, then review your goals for the day. This sequence, done consistently, will help you start each day with purpose and direction. Hack 2. Prioritize with the Eisenhower Matrix. Next up is hack number 2, using the Eisenhower Matrix to prioritize your tasks. This tool helps you decide what's truly important and what can wait. Picture a simple 4-quadrant grid. The top left quadrant is for urgent and important tasks, things you must do right away. The top right is for important but not urgent tasks, your long-term goals and planning. The bottom left is for urgent but not important tasks. These are distractions that others might push onto you. Finally, the bottom right is for things that are neither urgent nor important, like binge-watching TV shows or endless scrolling on social media. By sorting your tasks into these categories, you can focus on what really matters and avoid getting sidetracked by things that don't. Hack 3. Declutter your workspace. Hack number 3. Declutter your workspace. A cluttered space leads to a cluttered mind. When your desk is filled with papers, gadgets, and other distractions, it's hard to stay focused. Take a few minutes at the start or end of each day to clear your workspace. Remove anything that's not essential to your current projects. Organize your tools and resources so they're easy to find. A clean and organized workspace can help you think more clearly, reduce stress, and make you more productive. Hack 4. Use the Pomodoro technique. Hack number 4 is the Pomodoro technique. This is a time management method that breaks your work into focused intervals, usually 25 minutes long, followed by a short break. It's designed to keep you focused and prevent burnout. Set a timer for 25 minutes and work on a single task without any distractions. When the timer goes off, take a 5-minute break. After 4 of these sessions, take a longer break of 15 to 30 minutes. The Pomodoro technique helps you stay on track and maintain a high level of productivity throughout the day. Hack 5. Time blocking. Hack number 5. Time blocking. This method involves scheduling your day into blocks of time dedicated to specific tasks or activities. Instead of a vague to-do list, you assign every task a specific time slot on your calendar. This not only ensures that you have time for everything that's important, but also helps you stay focused on the task at hand, knowing that you've already allocated time for other activities. Time blocking can be a powerful tool for reducing procrastination and ensuring that you make steady progress on your goals. Hack 6. Leverage productivity tools and apps. Hack number 6 is all about leveraging technology. There are so many productivity tools and apps available today that can help you stay organized and efficient. Whether it's task management apps like Trello or Asana, note-taking apps like Evernote or Notion, or time-tracking tools like Toggle, find the tools that work best for you and use them to streamline your workflow. These apps can help you keep track of your projects, manage your time more effectively, and collaborate with others more efficiently. Hack 7. The 2-minute rule. Hack number 7 is the 2-minute rule. If a task will take less than 2 minutes to complete, do it immediately. This simple rule helps you avoid procrastination and keeps small tasks from piling up. Whether it's responding to an email, tidying up your workspace, or making a quick phone call, doing these tasks right away can save you time and energy in the long run. Hack 8. Plan your week in advance. Hack number 8. Plan your week in advance. Take some time on Sunday or Monday morning to map out your week. Set your goals, identify your key tasks, and block out time for important activities. This proactive approach gives you a clear roadmap for the week ahead and helps you stay focused on what matters most. It also allows you to anticipate any potential challenges and plan around them, so you're not caught off guard. Hack 9. Incorporate regular breaks and relaxation. Hack number 9 is to incorporate regular breaks and relaxation into your routine. It might sound counterintuitive, but taking regular breaks is essential for maintaining productivity. Working non-stop leads to burnout and reduced efficiency. Instead, take short breaks every hour or so to stretch, take a walk, or just relax. These breaks help you recharge and return to your work with renewed focus and energy. Remember, productivity isn't about working all the time. It's about working smart. Hack 10. Reflect and review your day. Finally, hack number 10. Reflect and review your day. At the end of each day, take a few minutes to look back on what you accomplished. What went well? What could have gone better? Reflecting on your day helps you recognize your achievements, learn from your experiences, and plan better for tomorrow. It's a simple practice that can lead to continuous improvement and greater productivity over time. Conclusion. And there you have it, 10 productivity hacks that can change your life. These aren't just quick fixes. They're strategies that, when practiced consistently, can help you achieve more in less time, reduce stress, and lead a more balanced life. Remember, productivity is a journey, not a destination. Start with 1 or 2 of these hacks and gradually incorporate more as you get comfortable. Which hack are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who could use a productivity boost. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.